Wanted to go over a few finds I found on Amazon. These are limited time deals, so you have to act pretty quickly. I do have links in the description, so if you want to follow those, I get a small percentage to help my channel, but it doesn't cost you any more than what's listed on Amazon. Just follow the link. First off, you got the DeWalt 20 volt max XR cordless ratchet, 3/8 and 1/2 inch, sealed. This is the tool only, but it's down 32% to $189. That's a pretty darn good deal for DeWalt. Then we have the DeWalt planer. They've got it knocked down 35% from $799 to $522. They have a CRAFTSMAN deal, 15% off their 6.5 peak horsepower wet and dry vac. It's down to $118.95. This Dremel tool, don't know how long it'll last, but it's 22% off. It's now $49, down from $62.99. We have another CRAFTSMAN deal. This is a 189 piece mechanics tool set, 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. It's got them all in there. It's a great deal. It's $149, down from $189. It's in a nice plastic case so you can keep up with everything. We've got a CRAFTSMAN V20 battery. It's a 4 amp hour. They got them on sale for $49, down from $119. Next up, we have the VEVOR bench vise. They got it knocked down 20%. This is down to $51.49 from $63.99. Another DeWalt vac. This is a 6-gallon STEALTHSONIC, so it's really quiet. It's down to $149.97 from $169.97. Got another CRAFTSMAN mechanics tool set. It's 20% off. This one's 298 piece. It does not have the case, but it's a full set for your drawers. $279, down from $349. We have a DeWalt dust separator. This is great for your wood shop. It's got 10-gallon stainless steel tank. It's 17% off, down to $118.77. Need a CRAFTSMAN V20 hammer drill kit. It's 1/2 inch, $89. It's a limited time deal, and it does have the batteries with it. We have another Dremel tool, the Multi-Max. It's a 5 amp. It is corded. It's a very good tool, $99, down from $129.99. What else did I select today? We got the DeWalt reciprocating saw blades. They got a couple bucks off those at $9.99 if you need some more. We got the VEVOR 50-pound rolling magnetic sweeper with wheels. It's down $48.99 from $57.99, 16% off. Got another DeWalt stainless steel wet dry vac. This one's 5-gallon. They've got it 17% off to $89.97. DeWalt screwdriver bit set, 11% off, down to $31.98. It's a nice little set, prepackaged. DeWalt miter saw mounting brackets. They got those 20% off. These are very handy to have around to mount your miter saw to your standing table, your portable table. They're down to $35.97. We got the VEVOR electric demolition hammer, 1400 watt. This is corded. I have a video on this. I actually have the orange one, and it shows me removing tile with it. So this is a great deal. It's 20% off, down to $63.99. For the DIYer, this is a great tool if you just need to do a room of removing tile or something, or break up some concrete. I don't see why you wouldn't want to pull the trigger on it. Next up, we have a VEVOR Vise 6.5 inch jaw. It's down to $63.74 from $74.99. VEVOR also has a 3/8 cordless electric ratchet wrench. It's got some of the sockets with it. It's got a nice little case. It's $50.39, down from $55.99. It is cordless. We have another shop vac, must be shop vac season. This one from CRAFTSMAN. It's 3.5 peak horsepower, wet and dry. It's a 6-gallon. It's down to $79.98 from $100.98. Another good deal. This is the Tough Box DeWalt wrench set, 8 pieces for $35.60, down from $59.99. It's a good addition to your toolbox. Need some impacts? Here's a set of CRAFTSMAN impact socket sets. These are metric half-inch drive deep impacts, 40% off. So those are a really good bargain right now. $59.98, down from $99.39. And we have a DeWalt diamond core bit. If you really need to, one of those guys that need the big bore, this is a 6.5-inch round. It's down 39%, so really good deal, down from $3.99 to $242.90. You can find these and a few other deals on Amazon. If I get time, I'll try to post a few more of them. But I thought I would just share some to get your interest up. And once again, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. I did mention that I had that VEVOR video on the hammer. Let me find it again. That one. I do have that hammer. Like I said, I don't know why they changed the color. Mine is an orange base. But everything's in there except the paddle bit. I bought the paddle bit off of eBay. I think I paid like $12.99 for it. And you can watch the whole video where I go through removing ceramic tile. The tile was adhered to a wood floor. And it took some learning because I'm not used to running a demolition hammer. But I was able to use that to remove that tile. And I also have some other things in there showing you how I collected dust when I was trying to get the mastic off the floor. Also used this hammer one other time when I needed to break a hole in the brick in the side of my house to run a dryer vent through, and it went through that effortlessly. I used that pointy bit that they're showing on here right now, and I mean, it probably wasn't 15 or 20 seconds. I had blasted through the brick enough to expand the hole, and then you just kind of easily chisel out and make it a little more round, until I got that 4-inch dryer pipe through. So I hope you're able to grab some of these deals before they're gone. As they said, they're selling fast. They're limited time deals. You can follow the link and go to Amazon, or just go to Amazon if you don't want to follow the link, and see if you can't capture some of these bargains. Please like and subscribe. Hope everybody has a great day. Y'all take care.